Hello, hello, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for October 20, with Tigers continue to lead with UAA at 85%. There it is, 85%. And our price channel is flatlining down here at 1088, but we get the other 15%, get ROI 100, and we'll be looking for last bar low out of UAA. It won't be a great win, about 100. We might get maybe the 110, 120, but it will be something to knock against the rock, and the rock becomes a pebble, and the pebble becomes profit, and profit does pay back. Alrighty, going on now to the second leader for the Tigers, and that is Edison. And Edison is here. Here is Edison, and there it is. It also note that we had a nice little move today here on price channel coming up. Edison is holding at 71. It has a nice little dip right in here. So if we can break above this the black price channel, we have a chance to reach the 100 ROI for a exit for the Edison. Okay, that takes us on to CVX, and CVX is price channel is flatlining right in here, but this is not good. This is a put, and it moved against us, a pretty sharp move against us. But then again, we don't know. We might have some profit takers sitting right in here in this area, because these every move in the positive to the profit zone is very helpful, especially now that we're entering toward the last week of the month. As I mentioned before, portfolio managers are going to be looking to take profit off the table next week to make those November pension checks. So look out for some possible reversals starting next week. So that takes us now to Verizon. At Verizon, we have Verizon is also a put. It's had a little bit of a push up. The price channel has dropped. It is below the entry point. So if we can stay somewhere in this area where price channel might drop down here and price crosses there, we still can get out with a little bit of a profit and get capital back. Remember the rules. Number 1, protect capital. 2, protect profit. 3, exits do not retreat. 3, take profit. 4, exits don't retreat. And 5, rinse and repeat. Okay, that said, let's go on now to the alphas. The alphas is the 30-day moving average, and our only leader is RTX. Surprisingly, it came from the back of the field, and look at that move. That is stupendous. Now, again, it is a fearful moment. Why? Because that kind of movement produces profit to some portfolio managers, and they're going to be looking toward that end of the month situation, as I mentioned with the Tigers. So we'll just be looking for it. The 30-day moving average is ever so slightly creeping up, maybe crossing the EP probably by next Tuesday or Wednesday, and then the result is we can start indicating our out. The rest of the field is in negative territory, so there's much to talk about there. We did have 2 exits that we have to address, and that is, we'll start off with ITB. And ITB got stopped out today, as it was a call. The close fell below the 32 moving average yesterday. The stop was put in, and we got stopped out for a $75 loss on 3 contracts, $225 total, $4 in roundup and fees, $229 for the loss of the trade, $18.04 for the carry, coming out to a new O of $20.33. Yes, $20.33 is now being owed by ITB. Going on to TAL, and TAL is here. Here is TAL. TAL also had an exit, and look at the drop. And we had the stop put here yesterday because it closed below the 30-day because it was a call. And then the end result was that we got stopped out virtually right at the opening this morning, and resulting in $482 for the loss. 1 contract, $482, $2 in fees, round up, $442, $484 for the loss, $222.35 for the carry, with a new O now of $27.19. Well, ladies and gentlemen, for today's report of Losers Become Winners for October 22nd, with Tigers leading the lead with UAA at 85%. I thank you very much for checking it out, and catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.